How to install pleated sheer curtains. Follow these simple steps and you'll have it installed in no time. Here's everything included in your package. Here is the tool needed for installation. Make sure to prepare it in advance. Okay, let's get started. Locate the integrated pockets within the stitching along the reverse side of each pleat. Insert the adjustable curtain hook carefully into the pocket. Repeat the same steps to insert the remaining adjustable hooks at each pleat. Once all hooks are in place, hang them onto the curtain rod rings one by one. Step back to see if the curtain hangs at the correct height and position. To lower the curtain, slide the hook's ratchet mechanism downward. Give the curtains a quick tidy up for a neat finish. That's it. Your pleated sheer curtain is now fully installed.